Hi everyone, this is Rakesh from 32 Degree Studio. Let me talk about the Young Chocolatier program which I've launched recently. The whole intention of the program is to engage our little ones so that they can learn. I understand the situation right now is everything is locked up and we are locked in our houses. There are no material supplies and anything. So why not utilize this time to learn something new? That's why this program. I have made this program in such a way that they will enjoy learning. I have chunked down the information in a very simple way that they will not find it difficult to understand. I'm discussing how chocolate is made, how chocolate is processed in the factories, and how we work with the chocolate, how chocolate tempering is done. Even I have come up with the design in such a way that they will enjoy the whole process. Now, with the working of the things, of the recipes and the material supplies, I understand that there are no supplies happening. But the first 1.5 week or 2 weeks, they're going to be engaged in the desktop research, Googling, finding things for themselves and learning. And I'll be giving them question answers, which they will be submitting. So there is a lot of work before we start jumping on the recipes. So they will enjoy the whole process. So don't worry about finishing part right now. They will finish the process as soon as the supplies are normalized and we have the regular couriers, or we are going to the market to get the things. So the program is designed in such a way they will understand the basics, then they will finish the question answers, they will finish exercises, and they will progress further in this program. There is a YouTube channel on which I'll be adding the videos, and there is a school. The URL for both is there in the description box for the registration on the school. I strongly suggest if you want the kids to learn properly, it is to their benefit that they see the videos on the YouTube and they finish exercises in the school, and put together both will lead to the successful learning. So the most of the process is automated. Once you have put in the right information, your email in the school, and you have registered, you will be getting the regular updates. So nothing will be missed. So please subscribe to the channel so that you keep getting the updates. And this is the only way to keep in touch, so that whenever the new update is there, I'm adding a new video or a new learning part or a new announcement, so that you are informed immediately and they can watch it for themselves. So let's get started with the Young Chocolatier program. Thank you. Bye.